Is exercise really necessary to lose weight? Before I reveal the truth in this video, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Tim Ernst, and I'm an intermittent keto fasting coach who has personally lost 70 pounds in 7 months. And I've also helped hundreds of struggling men and women from all over the world using my 4-phase time-tested intermittent keto fasting coaching system. So if you're someone who's always struggling with low energy, you've got clothes hanging in your closet that just don't fit you anymore, and you got a lot of belly fat to lose, and you want to lose it so you can just look and feel more confident in your own body, just drop me a DM right here using the word send details, and you and I will talk to see if you would be a good fit for my intermittent keto fasting coaching program. Okay, so how important is exercise as it relates to weight loss? Okay, I'm a big believer in exercise. I love hitting the gym. I love building muscle. It is just something I've been doing over the past 20 years. But walk into your gym today, what do you notice? There's a lot of people working out. If you've been there for any length of time, you've kind of noticed most people never really make a significant change. So do you think it's the workouts? Well, if you're seeing them in the gym pretty consistently, but they're not really making any changes, the common denominator is it's really not the workouts. It's what they're doing when they go home. It's what they're putting in their mouth, okay? When it comes to exercise, you want to build muscle. By far, you want to build muscle because the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn. However, the types of foods that you're eating when you go home is going to directly relate to whether you lose weight or not. So if you're going home and you're just eating whatever you want, you simply can't out-train a bad diet. Okay, so when it comes to diet, okay, I would say it is probably around 85% of your results, and the workouts are only about 15%. Now, does that mean you just quit working out? Absolutely not. Working out is going to help you. Like I said, building muscle is going to burn more calories. Now, what types of foods should you be eating? Well, number one, you need to be eating some type of protein. This is what rebuilds muscle, okay? Rebuilds muscle tissue. You're going to want to build muscle because it burns more calories, right? So make sure to eat more protein, okay? Because I'm a keto guy, I like to include a little bit of fats in there. Now, what fats are going to do is going to keep you satisfied throughout the day. You're not going to be constantly hungry as opposed to eating a lot of carbs. But also, fats are going to increase your testosterone levels, which you need when you go to the gym, okay? Another practice that I do as well is intermittent fasting. Now, a lot of people struggle with intermittent fasting, and it's because they have this fear of not eating. So what I would encourage you to do is just start small. Start with 3 meals a day, okay? Maybe between 12 and 6. So your first meal will be 12 p.m., second meal will be 3 p.m., and your last meal will be at 6. By today's standards, that's still considered intermittent fasting as long as you don't snack in between those meals. Now, after those 3 meals, you can go to 2 meals a day and then 1 meal a day, okay? So at the end of the day, the common denominator is you gotta get your food right. You cannot out-train a bad diet. I don't care how hard you train in the gym, you can't out-train a bad diet. Now, there's a lot of confusion as to what to eat when you go home to lose weight. Well, as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm an intermittent keto fasting coach. And what I've done is I've broken up my system into 4 different phases. That's going to take you from step 1 to step 4. And the best part is when you get to phase 4, not only are you going to lose a bunch of weight, but you're actually going to keep it off and keep this new physique permanently. I mean, at the end of the day, why lose all that weight if you're just going to put it all back on again? So I also include in my intermittent keto fasting coaching program the exercise, the workouts. Even though the primary focus isn't the workouts, but it's more towards the diet, I also supply the workouts as well. But the third thing you're gonna get, as opposed to the keto diet, the exercise, is what I do best. And that's gonna be to hold you accountable to make sure you implement on all the stuff that I'm gonna teach you. So if you need a time-tested plan, you need the workouts, you want a structured plan, you need someone to lead and guide you because you know that you've been trying to do this on your own and you're just not getting anywhere, so you've come to realization, I need some accountability. Drop me a DM right now using the word send details, and you and I will talk to see if you would be a good fit for my intermittent keto fasting coaching program. Talk soon.